Breathe out. Elongating, you have a twist. The shoulder blades are getting active. Read the student. Is your student is learning? That is also our job, because you cannot make them dependent always. Yeah. And then you can keep guiding. Yes, you should extend. Inhale and come back. Exhale. Previous central position. Put your stick. No, lengthen first. Change the partner. And think of, if you don't have a stick and you want to give with the belt. So one side you do with the stick, another side you do with the belt. So give me the belt. We have to start with the twist, right? Yeah. Just keep your belt with you. The first position is twist. Without a stick. Without a stick. Inhale. Open the hands wide apart. So when we are opening the hands wide apart, the chest is opening. The shoulder blades are getting active. And now exhale. Have your breath here. Breathing in and breathe out. Breathing in. Breathe out. Now, coming exhalation, we have to start giving twist. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Yes. No, so your locking of the leg should be outer knee. You were you pressing, so it was turning. Okay. Give with the stick. Give. ठीक है. Yeah. So both feet to the lumbar, stretch the hands, right leg up, between the shoulder blade, push your right leg, stretch the hands, both legs between the shoulder blade. Shall I come forward? Yes, sir. So thoracic spine, middle spine and the lumbar, all three you are activating at the same time. The hands are stretching back. Now take the right leg down and give the energy with your left. Slowly release and relaxed. Breathing in, breathe out. Change the props, the stick for the left side twist. Breathing in, breathe out. Lock my leg first. Lock the leg. Yes. आराम से. Go slow. Breathe in. Breathe out. No, use your hands on the shoulders. Breathe in. No, this is correct. Breathe out.
Breathe in.
Breathing in. Breathe out.
Breathing
in. Breathe out.
This is good.
Yes.
Breathing in and relax.
Yeah. Release and relaxed. Sir, continue with the instructions. Yeah. For the instructions, the stick has to come.
Yes. Place the stick in front of your mat at the center and place both the palms interlocked on the top of your stick. Inhale. As you exhale, sink your chest down, look up and push your stick away from you.
Let the butt go down. Yes. After elongating, you have a twist. So, three things. The knee can go slightly down, this knee, the right knee. Yeah. Yes. Move away towards the wall. Yes. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhaling, center,
extend towards the ceiling. Who will extend towards the ceiling?